Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. If you are CBSE Evaluator, AHE or HE, this video is very important for you because I know you are confused about digital evaluation process. So don't worry, in this video I will take you step by step through the entire CBSE digital evaluation system so that you can evaluate confidently and without any mistake. So let's start. So this is the official evaluator user manual which is released by CBSE. So first let us see evaluation workflow. It's same as last year, only thing coordinators are missing. So here first we have HE, then under HE there will be 3 AHE, and then under first examiner there will be 3 evaluator, then under AHE second 1 evaluator, and for 3 also there is 1 evaluator. Now what is the main objective of evaluator? So for evaluator, whoever the in charge is there for evaluation center, they will provide all the evaluator with login detail. So evaluator with login using that ID, password and OTP sent on their mobile number or email ID. Then they are going to evaluate the answer book which is available for evaluation. In case of any variation in the marks by AHE, means same paper will be evaluated by evaluator as well as AHE. Then you can check and revise the marks. Then you can see the evaluation report, and you need to add your bank account detail in the profile section that is used for remuneration process. Now let us see the step-by-step process. So first thing, this is the website which you need to click and open. Once it is open, you need to enter your user ID or evaluator ID given by your HE and password, then click on send OTP. After that you need to enter your mobile number, OTP, and you can log in. So here double login process are there. You need to enter your password as well as OTP. After entering the OTP, you can easily log in. Once you log in, this will be your home page, and you can download the user manual from here, and or you can click on continue evaluation. So if you click on main assessment, your evaluation page will look like this, and here you can start the evaluation by clicking on start button. Once you click on start button, you will get the answer sheet, and here downside you can see multiple keys are there. This all key will be helping you in evaluation process, and on the left side you have the space to enter the marks for each question. Next, here if you see, these are the page number. Total 32 page answer sheets are there. So if it's red color means you have not evaluated, if it is green color means you have evaluated that particular page. Now let us see one by one. So here you have plus and minus sign. Plus and minus sign will help you in zooming the answer sheet. So here you can click plus and minus and you can zoom the answer sheet more than 100%. You can rotate as well. Rotation option is also there if some answer sheets are scanned opposite, so you can rotate multiple times by 90 degree. Then next you can enter the marks. So for marks you need to enter like this step marking, like 0.5 for step 1, step 2, like that you can enter one by one marks, and which will be visible here. Next, so once you enter the marks, your total also will increase, and as you can see here, this became green in color, means you have evaluated that page number 5. After that, if any question is not answered by the student, so you can click any. So here they are going to ask you, are you sure you want to mark it as not attempted? Click OK, and it will be automatically marked any for that particular question in the marks section. Means that question student has not attempted, So he is going to get NA marks, means 0 marks. Then if any student has repeated the question, so here yellow box you can see that once you click on the yellow box, you are going to get this sign in the answer sheet, means this question is repeated or this answer is repeated. Then you can click on view annotate. So means if one question is written in 2 pages, so in first page you are not giving any marks, so you can click here, means you have seen this page, and in the next page you can award the marks, in the last page you can award the marks. And even for blank page you need to click this yellow box which is blank page, so automatically one icon will be made in the answer sheet when this page is blank. Then if you want to change or revise the marks, here one option is there, M. So by clicking on it you can change the marks. Initially you may have given 0.5 and you want to give the 1 mark, so you can annotate that marks. Next, if student has attempted more than the required number of questions, like sometimes 5 questions are there and student has to attempt only 4 questions, so you can and student has attempted all the 5 marks, so you can do accordingly as well, means you can select or discard from the total. So here all are there, so in total part you can add or discard whatever part you want to remove or you want to add. If you want to add any comment in particular answer, you can add comment also by clicking on this icon. This box will come, you will enter your comment and click on submit button, so your comment for that particular answer will be saved. Then if any answer sheet malpractice is there or unfair mean they have used, so you can click on UFM. Once you click on UFM, you need to choose the reason. Here multiple options are given, you need to select all that, any one of that reason. After that you need to enter your remark and click on submit button. Then if you want to reject any answer book, so you can reject also, and multiple reason you can give, like improper scanning, answer book of different subject, medium is different, missing page, same page or other. By clicking on reject button you can reject any answer book if you don't want to evaluate that particular. Then you need to annotate every page. So if 32 pages are scanned, obviously for each answer sheet 32 pages will be there, and you need to annotate all. Annotate symbol is this symbol, and if you annotate then only it will become green. If any red is left out, means you cannot submit your answer book. You cannot click on submit, they will show that few pages you need to view. Then you can access the question paper by clicking here QP. If you click on QP, your question paper will open. In the same way you can open the marking scheme also by clicking on solution, SOL button, and you will get the solution of that particular question. And after doing all, you need to click on save and submit. Then again you are going to get the total marks here, and once you confirm, click on confirm, your answer sheet is submitted. So that was complete step-by-step guide for CBSE Digital Evaluation. If you found this video helpful, please like, hype, share and subscribe to our channel for more exam related guidance. If you have any doubt, comment below and I will reply.